Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So Keandra and I are preparing for the, we're actually preparing to go away for the holidays, but then also we're preparing for, of course, our charcuterie board. So yesterday you guys saw us, or today, on today's vlog, you guys saw us getting prepared for the hot chocolate. But also we ran a lot of errands yesterday. So we went to Williams-Sonoma to pick up the toffee, and we also got marshmallows. They're really cute peanuts themed marshmallows. So cute. They have like their little things printed on them. They're so adorable. We saw shortbread cookies that were iced, but a lot of them were broken, so we didn't get those. We're just gonna get some regular shortbread cookies, so we have to go out today. We're planning to go to the farmer's market today, and so that's gonna be our first trip to the farmer's market. But I hear that it's a great deal, like it's a great to do. Basically, like it's huge and it's got a lot of stuff. I'm hoping they have really nice, healthy looking rosemary sprigs, so that we can add to the board. And then, of course, fruits and stuff like that. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Sally's, because not tomorrow, today's Saturday. So on Monday, I'll be coloring my hair so that we can, so that it can be fresh for the holiday. And these are the things that I got. I picked up a new comb. So I think this is a carbon comb. This is good. It's heat resistant, so it's really good for like when you're flat ironing your hair, because I was getting parting combs because they, do really well with parting, but they were melting because they were getting caught between the plate. And so I decided to go ahead and get this one. I think this one is by Ion. Yeah, it's by Ion. And I was gonna get a metal one, but the lady at Sally said to just stick with something like this. I have another carbon comb that's actually really good in under the heat. So I was like, oh yeah, let me get another one of those. So now I have two, because I like to have a couple of combs just in case, because like one might be dirty, you never know. And I like this one because it's nice and sturdy, so it should hold up very well. I did flat iron my hair with this one a bit, and it was doing pretty good, so I love that. I also got my hair color. I believe I need to look under my cabinet to make sure that I have developer, but this is the hair color that I use. I love this hair color. It makes my hair so black, and it's like got a hint of blue in it. They have the blue sapphire one, but I don't want like that, like it has a hue of blue, but this one is really nice and black, and it just gives you a really nice sheen. It used to be called Onyx Sheen, and it's by L'Oreal. Now it's called L'Oreal Technique. It used to be L'Oreal Preference, but it looks like they just changed the name of it, but it's black onyx. And then I got a bottle because I think I threw my other one away. I always throw these away when I color my hair. They're like $3, but like I don't feel like washing it, so I just got another one. And then I got more gloves. So I really like these gloves because they're kind of rubbery, but I don't think they're latex. But I like these better than the little plasticky ones that they sell too. So I really like these. So that was the stuff that I got yesterday from Sally's. But this week, I can't remember what day, but this week I got another PR box from L'Oreal. I love getting stuff from L'Oreal. And I have opened it. It's a lot of different things. I'm gonna go through it with you guys. So I think Keandra has this. It's the Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Normally I give these away, but I am gonna try this one. I wanna actually see if it works. I have a little wrinkle forming right here because I normally do this. And I wanna see, it says reduce wrinkles, firm, and brighten in 1 week. So we'll see. I'd love to see if that's true. But you guys know that it's kind of difficult for me to try new products because I have sensitive acne prone skin. So I need to see how this works in the mix of the products that I already use, but I definitely want to try this, and I definitely want to try it for at least a week. So we will see, even if I have to just put it on that little part. I don't know if that's how that works, but yeah, this is the Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Moisturizer. It says reduces wrinkles, firms, and brightens. So we'll see how this works. It has pro-retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. So I don't even know if you're supposed to use this every day. But yeah, because it has retinol, and I think with retinols you're supposed to use them like every other day or something like that, but we'll see. Oh, here it says, smooth over face and neck every morning and evening after Revitalift serum or treatment. Layers well under makeup. So we'll see. And then I have the Revitalift Derm Intensives 2.5 hyaluronic acid and caffeine brightening eye serum. I'm gonna try this. I don't know what it's going to really do. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Let's see. It says pure hyaluronic acid, 1.5% potent hydration attracting molecule naturally found in skin, enhances skin own moisture retention for lasting hydration and visibly plump skin. 1% pure caffeine re-energizes skin to effectively reduce dark circles and puffiness. And then triple roller. So this is the applicator with 3 cooling stainless steel balls, optimally bends to provide a full eye contour. So yeah. Okay, so let's see if it has any instructions, directions. Massage onto clean skin every morning and evening in small circles. So you're supposed to do it with the applicator. I know a lot of things like this, you're not supposed to use the applicator. You're supposed to put it on your hand just to not transfer like bacteria and stuff. But this one recommends that you use the wand. So we'll be using that. I'll be letting you guys know how I like this. I don't see if it says results. Oh, visible results immediately. Skin feels nourished and moisturized. So I guess that's what their claim is. In 2 weeks, the fine lines and crow's feet are visibly smooth, plumper, eye area feels firmer, more supple, eyes look younger and re-energized and less tired. And in 6 weeks, dark circles look noticeably brighter. So we'll see. Hopefully I can keep up with it so that we can see, because sometimes I don't do that. Okay, and this is the 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid or hyaluronic and microepidermic plumping serum. I think this is what this is supposed to be used with, because it says use after Revitalift serum or treatment, and I think this is this one. So we'll see how this one works. I'll try to use these every day to try to see what the effects are. It says apply 2 to 3 drops to clean skin every morning and evening before Revitalift moisturizer, avoiding the eye area. So yeah, I'm gonna try this too. I'm gonna try this whole system and see how it works. Okay, so then I have the L'Oreal Paris Ever Pure sulfate-free color care system. It's a glossing 5-minute lamination mask. I don't know when this goes on. I'm gonna see here. It says it instantly boosts hair shine by smoothing hair fibers. After using the glossing shampoo and conditioner, apply a generous amount on damp hair. Leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. So, I wonder how heavy this is gonna make my hair. I'll try this and see. If it makes my hair heavy, then we can't use it anymore. But it's supposed to be a little treatment. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good actually. So I'll try this too on my hair to see how it works. Then they sent over Elnet unscented hairspray. So I just bought another Kenra hairspray. I really like Kenra's hairspray. This is humidity resistant, so I'm gonna try this one too to see how it works, because I don't always, like I said, I always give this stuff away. I don't really try it, except for like, now these things here, I'm gonna try. I'm always gonna have. So I have some of this. I love that they sent me another one, because you never can have enough. The Black is Black. I have always worn Black is Black whenever I get L'Oreal mascara. And then they sent me more of the faux brow. Now I bought this one. I bought the brown one probably about a month ago. This is in soft black. I am interested in seeing what this is like, because I first got the darker one, the black ebony one or something like that, and it was very harsh for what I like my brows to be, especially for how I use this, because I use this like when I'm not wearing full makeup. And so this one, I don't know if this is gonna be too dark or you like too much for a no makeup look, but we'll try it. And then I have some more. They always like to send these little crinkly paper thingies. Oh, I got some of this. I'm interested in seeing what this is like. I saw that Keandra had this in one of her boxes. And so this is transparent gel for your brows. And so it's supposed to keep them tame. So, I mean, I don't really have a tame issue, but I wanted to see what that's like. They sent this True Match foundation. I will likely use this around the perimeter of my face if I use it at all. So that's nice though, but it looks like a nice foundation. I remember I used to wear that. And then they sent the Le Shadow stick. So this is, I think, an eyeshadow stick. I'll probably wear this on Christmas because I've kind of been wanting to do that. And then they've sent more. I'm so grateful they sent more of this. Y'all know I really, really like this product. I've even purchased this myself and I'm glad they sent more. Worth It is a really nice color. And then they sent a True Match concealer. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to use this one either. I might be able to do this one. I don't know, but yeah. This one is in the shade, the foundation, oh, both of the foundation and the concealer are in C10 deep. In the bottles, they look a little deep, but I'll try them just to see. But yeah, so this is the package that they sent. And then they sent this card, tips from our League of Experts. So they give you little tips. You could probably screenshot this if you could see this to see what the tips are that they have for us. So yeah, that's the box. So if any of these products interest you guys, we are definitely going to have them linked throughout the video or in the description. You guys know how we like to do for you guys to try out the products. Keandra and I are about to eat. We ordered Popeyes through DoorDash, and then we are going to go and do our last minute grocery shopping for the board.
Hey y'all, so we are leaving Publix now and we're about to go to the farmer's market and pick up the other items for the charcuterie board and I think maybe a couple of other items too, or am I wrong?
I think we've got everything that we need.
Okay, we got everything that we need, okay. So guys, we made it here to the farmer's market and so far so good. Everything looks pretty good that we have come up to. So yeah, I see a little gannat. But I'm guessing you're gonna see that everywhere. But so far so good.
Sweet.
Because they're who?
Sweet.
Okay.
These might just be garnished. I don't know if we're gonna eat these because I don't eat soft grapes.
We can't get these from somewhere else.
Why?
We want to be able to eat them.
I like this bag.
So y'all, we know this isn't Living Noire, but everything smells so good. Everything is so fragrant over here in the herb section. Kim was like, Mom has to come. It smells really good. It is so nice.